Welcome to Computer Education Unlocked channel. Today's video I will teach how to dual boot Windows 11 and Linux Mint together. Let's start the video. Windows key plus R to open run. Type disk mgmt.msc to open disk management. Split some space from the C drive. Right click on the C drive, go to shrink volume. You can give the partition size according to your needs. Shrink. Restart computer. I will search by writing Mint OS download. I will open the website first. Here we can see 3 editions of Linux Mint. I will install Cinnamon edition, so I will download it. Click on download. There are servers in different countries to download Linux Mint. You can download from the server of your country which is convenient to download from. I am downloading from Indian server. Clicking on the country name will start the download. Then you need to download Rufus. Download. Double click Rufus to open it. Click on select option. Select the ISO file and open it. Click on start. OK. The ISO file will be copied to the pen drive and become bootable. Double-click on Linux Mint setup icon. Select setup language. Continue. Select your keyboard layout. Continue. Install multimedia codecs. Continue. Erase disk and install Linux Mint means automatic partition and installation. Click on something else option. Continue. First create root partition. Select free space. Click on plus signature to open create partition menu. You can give the partition size according to your needs. Uses as ext4. Mount point root. OK. Next create home partition. Select free space. Click on plus signature to open create partition menu. You can give the partition size according to your needs. Uses as ext4. Mount point home. OK. Next create swap partition. Select free space. Click on plus signature to open create partition menu. Swap area should be twice the size of RAM. Uses as swap area. OK. Next create AFI partition. Select free space. Click on plus signature to open create partition menu. AFI partition should be at least 512 megabytes. Uses as AFI system partition. OK. Continue. Select the location and continue. Enter the name and password. Continue. The installation will start. Restart now. Enter. Linux Mint is installed. First option for start Linux Mint opening system. Windows recovery environment for start Windows 11. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to get latest video updates. If you have any questions or suggestions about the video, please comment.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.